almusal, cornflakes with cappuccino. Ayoko ng gatas kaya ginawa ko cappuccino. Yung cappuccino ko, nilagyan ko siya ng cornflakes. So, yan. Yummy, yummy. Try nyo. Madiskarting lola. Ayan. Si Ate Alex. Kung ano-ano na lang. Parang wala lang. Ganyan. Hindi kasi ako may inom ng fresh milk, guys. Hanggang ngayon, yung aking boses, warag pa din. Yan. So, breakfast time. Cornflakes. Yan. O, diba? Ganon-ganon lang. May pang-upload na. Right? God bless you all. It's me, Ate Alex. Mwah-mwah. Chup-chup. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye.